Okay, I wanted to show you another function in Accuware's mobile app Count Inventory for managing your inventory with wireless mobile Android device with your QuickBooks Enterprise. Here we're going to show you the transfer inventory function. Basically, I'm just show you how you can kind of move inventory from one site to another. You could even use this to just move it within a site as well. But what we'll do is I'm just going to I can use both the transfer inventory screen and our inventory search screen to just show you how this inventory is moving as we do this transfer. So basically, if we just search on the main distribution center for the hook item, okay, you'll see that we have 15 of them in stock at A13. And then if we look at the Atlanta warehouse, we got them in a couple different locations there. We got 6 in G10 and 12 in H07. So what I'm going to do is just transfer 2 more of these to G10. So this will go up to 8, and we'll see it at the main distribution center should decrease by 2. So and then I'll show you in QuickBooks a quick report on how it reflects in there. All right, so if we do a search here on the distribution center as sort of our origin site that we want to transfer from, okay, we do an initial search on it. What it does is it tells me, where they are, locally in the site I'm at. And then this is the bin where I want to send them at the Atlanta warehouse, right? So we'll just go ahead and we'll just select the G10 bin again, right? I showed you that value earlier. And then I want to slide this over with my finger here, but we'll say, okay, we want to transfer 2 more there. Okay, so let's go ahead and transfer that. All right, so now, like if we go to the advanced inventory search, and if we look at that original distribution center, we'll see that it's decreased from 15 down to 13 at that center, and then over at Atlanta, quantity on hand has increased to 8 at G10 because I moved 2 more of them there, and that, of course, has stayed the same. Now, to just look at how this is manifesting itself in QuickBooks, for this item, you can check this a few different ways here. You can say like find in transactions. There's a report that we can run that I queued up before, just a quick report on the activity of that item for the hook item. And you can see the transfers are all reflecting here, as I'm moving 2 out of one into the other. And here I did it repeatedly. So you can see negative on one side, positive at the other, negative at the distribution center, positive at the Atlanta warehouse, and you can see that bin that I was moving it from and to is all being indicated here in this inventory report. So it's reflecting nicely in QuickBooks, showing that it's all been accurately moved. So this is just one function that we've got. We're adding functions weekly for the mobile app, so you're going to be able to count your inventory, transfer your inventory, pick your inventory. Lastly, we'll be adding receive inventory, but this is the transfer function. It does support multiple sites, multiple bins. Please contact Accuware if you have further questions. This is a good complement to our label connector for QuickBooks, which helps you print all the barcodes that you can use for scanning with these apps. So give us a call anytime. Thanks.